Hello dear students. So let us discuss some numericals on the slip of the induction motor. So the first question is, a 6-pole 3-phase induction motor is connected to 50 Hz supply. If it is running at 970 rpm, find the slip of the induction motor. So the given data is, number of poles is given 6. Okay, 50 Hz is the frequency. Okay, running at 970. Running means always you should take n value. Okay, running means n value. Ns means it is a synchronous speed of the RMF, it is magnetic field. Okay, so the formula is slip S is equal to ns minus n by ns. So this is the equation of slip, but ns value is not given. So first calculate the ns formula is 120 into f by p. So we know the value of f, frequency, and p. So substitute here 120 into 50 by p is equal to 6. So you will get 1000 rpm. So as I said in the theory, ns is always greater than n value. This is a synchronous speed, this is the actual speed. So ns means RMF speed is always greater than the actual speed. 1000 rpm, this is 970 rpm. So now I will calculate the slip. The last step is ns is equal to 1000 minus 970 is the n divided by 1000 into 100 percentage. So you will get the answer is slip is equal to 0.03 or 3%. Okay, so the problems are simple, but you remember the equation. So I will take the second problem. A 50 Hz 4-pole 3-phase induction motor has a rotor current of frequency 2 Hz. Calculate the slip and the speed of the motor. So remember, rotor current frequency. Rotor frequency means there is a value of f dash. So in the previous lecture we have discussed that is the value of f dash. F dash is equal to sf is the equation, the formula for rotor frequency. So given data is f dash is equal to 2 Hz and 50 Hz means that is the value of stator frequency, and p is equal to 4. Okay, so calculate the slip. So use this relation, f dash is equal to sf, s is equal to f dash by f. F dash is equal to how much? 2 Hz. F is equal to 50 Hz. So you will get s is equal to 0.04, or in percentage, if you multiply 100 you will get 4%. So simple. Rotor frequency means 2 Hz. This is always you can take stator frequency 50 Hz. Stator frequency is always greater than rotor frequency. At least you remember, you can compare. Higher value is always f, lower value is always f dash. Okay, so f dash is equal to sf is the relation, and s is equal to f dash by f. F dash is equal to 2 Hz divided by 50 Hz. You will get 4% or 0.04. That is the value of slip. So one first is over. Second one is speed of the motor. Speed means it is a n. Speed of the motor means it is a n value. So first you calculate the ns value. Ns is equal to 120 into f by p, synchronous speed. So 120 into f is the 50 Hz. Here it is f, not f dash. Okay, always you can take f value 50 Hz divided by p is equal to 4 pole. So you will get answer 1500 rpm. So now I will calculate the speed. So s is equal to ns minus n divided by ns. So s is equal to 0.04 is equal to, so ns is 1500 minus n we need to calculate, that is the speed of the motor, n as it is, divided by ns. So from this 0.04 is equal to 1500 minus n by, ns is equal to 1500. So separate the only n value, you will get 1440 rpm. That is the speed of the motor. Or else simply you can use another relation to calculate n. The same simplified equation of this, n is equal to ns into bracket 1 minus s. This is a simplified equation of this. Directly you can calculate n value. Otherwise, you can same equation you can use, substitute all the values and separate the n value, you will get the speed of the motor.